Hi everyone, today we're diving into the meaning of the word lambaste. It's a word that packs a punch when it comes to criticism. Let's break it down with a few examples in different contexts. Imagine a scenario in politics where one party strongly criticizes another for their policies or decisions. That's when you'd use lambaste. For instance, the opposition party lambasted the government's handling of the recent budget cuts. Now, think about a boss giving a stern lecture to an employee who consistently makes mistakes. In this case, the boss lambasted the employee for missing another deadline. Critics in the media can be particularly harsh when reviewing performances or decisions. They might say something like, "The film was lambasted by reviewers for its weak storyline and poor acting." Social issues can also attract strong criticism and public outcry. For example, activists lambasted the company for its environmental record. So, whether it's politics, work, media, or social issues, lambaste is a word used when someone is being strongly criticized or reprimanded. It's all about conveying intense disapproval. Remember, it's not just criticism. It's criticism with a punch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps clarify the meaning of lambaste in different contexts.